Welcome, Film Study students. This is another quick video to help you with Unit 9. We're going to look first under the tab of Assignments, and you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to find that description, the Finding Inspiration from Real Life Stories presentation, and then your rubric here. As before, we are going to go through lessons to find this unit assignment. So we go all the way to Unit 9, War and Anti-War Genre, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the assignment at the bottom. As with all the other sections, there are 4 films that you can pick from. Here are the trailers. You can pick one of these films, or if you are not satisfied with one of these 4 films, you can definitely pick another one as long as it fits under that war, anti-war genre. So the first thing you're going to do is watch one of these 4 films or another, and you're going to take notes. This is going to be a presentation, so you're going to use all this information to create a slide presentation at the end. Here is a list of all the 4 films, and here are the links in terms of Wikipedia and the history. So the first part of the presentation, you're actually going to be creating a comparison between the film version of the story and the real life story. So these 4 films are all based on real life stories. And so you're going to take one of these films, you're going to compare and contrast it to the real life story through these links. So as you take notes. The second part of this presentation, and this is where students get mixed up, is you're going to actually go to this link, and it's going to take you to 4 heroes. Carl Lutz. Here we go. Freddie Overstegen. Teacher Johann van Hulst. Virginia Hall. So these are the 4 heroes that you're going to do the second part of the presentation on. So if we go back here, you're going to create a presentation where the first few slides are about the film that you watched and the real life story that you researched. Remember to include 3 things that you have in common with the real life story, and then 2 things that are different, something that's exaggerated or missing from the real life story. And then the third slide is going to be about that real life hero. And you're going to pretend that you're a filmmaker and you're going to be creating a film about this real life hero. So going to step 3, you're going to describe the who, what, where, and why, those 5 whys, who the person was, what happened to them, what they did, who else was involved, what they did after the war. So just a breakdown on everything about them and why they're a hero. And then why do you think this would be a great film to make about this person's story? And then thinking as a filmmaker, describe and include 2 specific scenes that you think would be very helpful and very attention grabbing for the audience. You want to include 5 images and or video clips with this presentation as well. So just remember, it is a presentation, so you want to make it visually appealing as well. Going to the rubric, we're going to do a breakdown of how you can get marks for these. So the first is 13 points, inspiration and comparison. Remember, 3 similarities, 2 differences. Then you're going to go to the description of the hero, and then what would make it a great film, why it would make a great film, and 2 special scenes. Don't forget 5 images to help make it a great presentation. All right, good luck.